west
anyway,
on
but
East Afton
I was like,
Avenue
come out,
towards
but
South Main Street, then
usually
turn
do.
left onto South.
Layla should have came.
I know.
Sorry. You don't know what side she's in?
No. I got this because it's the only one I can eat.
Which one?
The Swedish
That's so
fish.
smart. No, take this is too much.
No, it's giving some. Yeah, keep it for the store.
Yeah, there's coffee. Oh wait, Pana. Go to Pana. What is that? Going on my TikTok. You don't know what side she's in?
No. Oh, and I'm just like, yeah.